Good morning. So another day, and it's time to swap our limited parts onto our shell. All right, not a lot of time, lots to do. Let's go.
No way.
Alright, one side's on. Not sure about the gaps, if I like them or not, but I'll figure it out later. See how it goes. And I think the hardest bit was getting the bird chute off. It's like flying cows that attack this one. It's all done. Alright, let's go. Other side now. Alright then, other side's on. Oh, this side fits way nicer, I think. Mirrors, wow, I'll be changing those. And now we got nice arches. Shame to cut them up, but needs must. I mean, gap wise, it needs slight adjustment there. It's not too chubby. Now my favorite bit, gonna fit front bumper finally. See what it's like, and get on with arches.
No way.
Alright, so what we got here is front bumper doesn't want to close the gap here. So, and here's a little edge there, so I'm assuming it has to go backwards. And these bits here don't want to fit basically. So what I'm going to do is play with this for a bit and then get back to you guys. Not putting on a time lapse or anything, but see how can I get it to fit and then go from there. Alright, we did about 30 minutes work, 40 minutes, and realised these things are catching. I got these sort of trimmed down a bit and ready to go. Now I'm getting massage these bits out because they're the ones preventing or is this all to fit nicely on. Alright, so bumper's on. It's a bit better than it was. I mean, the gaps are still there. Fine tuning and everything should sort that one out. And it needs to go up quite a bit. And as you can see, need to lift it up. And on this side, I need this edge sort of figuring out. Get this to fit more or less. I mean, that needs pushing in. I'm holding it with one hand, so now I'm going to mark where I'm going to drill and make at least 2-3 mounting points for it and mount it. Alright, holes are done, and that's what I'm using for hardware. If it focuses. X on one side, 10 spanner on the other side, these little bridges. Let's go. Alright, so one side's on. Quite happy with that. And did 3 mounting points, 2 on the top, 1 here, original mounting points, so should work decent. I mean, still adjustments to do. Not too bad from where it was, at least it's there. Alright, now do the other side and show you the end result for now and crack on with the arches. Alright, the front bumper's on. Middle still needs bracket fitting, so I'll go like that. It's all nice. This one did put up a bit more bite than the other side, but got it at the end. Gap's about similar. So yeah, it is on. Now time to do the arches. Obviously you can try arches on first without side skirts and see where we go from there. Alright, let's see if I can do it one-handed. So the kit is meant to go up to the door line, and you make a cut on your arch, and then it does line up fairly nice. It sits quite high and it goes down to there. But what we're gonna do, we're gonna cut these edges off first, because obviously I'm putting these on the top of these, so there's a good chance that little piece is going anyway. So but first I'm going to try cut the edges off and mock fit them that way, and work step by step to make them work with the side skirt. Alright, let's see.
No way.
Alright, so this is what we ended up with. Ended up cutting the rear ledge off, just there, and temporarily mounted this. Adjusted this so it kind of fits on top of a bumper. And still need to figure out what I'm doing with that one, because obviously needs whole corner cutting off. So I have to wait and see. I might try and mold that little edge back on there, just like a side skirt. But so far, it's looking pretty good. Happy with the look. I mean, it still needs finishing off and edges doing nicely. That's when I'm going to be fitting them back on afterwards. Well, this is pretty good. Follows the arch line decent. And I'm going to go and try and do the same thing at the back. Well, weather has officially gone to shit. Well, I'm still cracking on. Gonna try and put that rear arch on and do the other side tomorrow probably, but won't probably film that because the gist of a job is there. And now to cut this one up and then get it fitted. See how it goes. Alright, that's the rear on. Got it to more or less fit. Obviously now it's not bolted down or anything, so all this will go nice and snug. Probably using rivets on these rear. Ended up being half decent. Can't complain on that one. Same sort of thing. All compressed down. And overall, not bad. Not bad at all, if you guys ask me. Yeah, there we go. We got wide body, destroy or die kitted and a MX5, and all the hard limited bits are going to be going on this. Well, first we got here door cards. Hey, it's all going red. So that'll be it for today. I think I'll finish this side off tomorrow. I don't think I'm going to film that. And for next job, probably start getting all the running gear together, ready to go. All the newly painted bits will go on, and then get it on wheels, and then trim whatever needs to be trimmed out of here. Obviously all the arches are coming out, and then even these are a bit higher, but still, well, you can see about how much needs to go, and all these get trimmed out and then smoothed out and everything like that. So yeah, so alright guys, thanks for watching, and if you want to see more, subscribe, follow, And that's it. I'll see you next time. Cheers.